Hello, everybody. This is Desiree, and welcome back to my Hong Kong solo travel series. For today's episode, it's all about reaching for the sky. Well, not that sky, this sky, Sky 100. Let's go. Umalis ako ng Hong Kong Science Museum at nearly 3 p.m. Hindi ko na masyadong naikot yung lugar kasi I wanted to be at Sky 100 bago magdilim. So from Hong Kong Museum to Sky 100, nagbus ako. Ang sinakyan kong bus is bus number 215X just because yun yung pinaka-convenient at that time. So madaming ibang bus numbers na pwede mong sakyan. It's just that at that time, yun yung pinaka-convenient and pinaka-nirecommend din ni Google. So, ang ruta yata nun is something like this. Pag ganun yata. Kasi dito yung Sky 100. So, supposedly, dun sa Google Map na chinek ko, ang bababaan ko dapat is dito sa bus stop na to. Okay? So, yan, 215X. Nakikita nyo? Kaya lang nakalimutan ko na dito pala sa Hong Kong, kailangan mong pindutin yung red button bago yung stop mo para mag-stop siya dun. Kasi kung wala namang taong naghihintay dun sa bus stop and wala namang pumindot ng red na button, lalampasan lang ni kuyang driver yung bus stop na yon. Ako at that time, nagchichill-chill pa ako, looking out the window, ganyan. Tapos nagtaka ako, bakit lumampas siya? And dumiretso siya dun sa last na stop, which is, asan ba yun? Basta dito, banda. Dito yata banda. Dito. Wait. Yan, dito sa Kowloon Station bus stop. Yan, dyan siya bumaba. And dito yung Sky 100 na. So, kung titignan nyo sa Google Street, ito siya. So, wait, ito. Ito yung bus stop na dapat nabababaan ko. And supposedly, maglalakad lang ako dyan. May elevator dito, actually. And meron din escalator dito. So, I could have taken any of them. And then, mag-cross ako sa bridge na yan. And, charan! Sky 100 na. 'Di ba? Kaya lang, yun nga, ang nangyari is, dun pa ako napunta sa may Kowloon bus stop. Yung pinaka-last na stop niya. So, ang nangyari, naglakad pa ako, pabalik dito sa Sky 100. Ayan, so more exercise ang nangyari. From Kowloon bus stop, I entered through Elements, a shopping mall na connected sa International Commerce Center where Sky 100 is at. And to be honest, pagpasok ko pa lang ng mall, I felt a bit out of place. Just because I was only wearing shorts and a t-shirt, drenched in sweat from all the walking, and here I was surrounded by luxury brand stores. So there's Dior, Chanel, Cartier, Gucci. I mean, not that I can afford any of the stores, but still, I kind of felt out of place.
Go downstairs and get the ticket.
Alright, thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, thank you. So, one person with the dining, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait a second. So, this is the phone for you first. So, wait a second. It's okay, I'll give you the ticket.
Alright.
So that we have a voucher for the cafe, so you can show to the cafe to redeem your dining. So one ticket and one for cafe.
Thank you.
No effort.
sir. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome to Sky 100, developed by Sun Hung Kai Properties. You'll arrive at the 100th floor within 60 seconds, and from a height of 393 meters, we'll take you on a 360-degree voyage across the city and through the extensive multimedia exhibits into the lives and culture of Hong Kong people.
欢迎光临由新鸿基地产发展的天赋100，我们将在60秒内抵达第100层。各位来宾可以在海拔393米的高度，以360度的全景视野看香港的迷人景色，同时还可以透过丰富的多媒体设施，感受香港人的生活及文化。
I booked this activity through Klook, and it includes a food and a drink at Cafe 100 by the Ritz-Carlton. So for the food, I chose chicken panini, and for the drink, I had the Cafe 100 milk tea, which is basically just a Hong Kong milk tea. So kung nakatikim ka nun, alam mo na yung lasa niya. Hindi na ako nag-video ng sarili ko habang kumakain kasi nag-charge yung isang camera ko, and yung isang camera ko, sinat up ko to take this time lapse. Habang kumakain ako sa Cafe 100, nag-isip na ako kung saan ako pupunta after. Now, what I know is gusto kong kumain sa Ichiran Ramen for dinner. However, it was only around 5 p.m. and since kakakain ko lang, para ang weird naman na pumunta ulit sa isang kainan. Kaya naman nag-isip ako kung saan muna ako pupunta bago mag-dinner. Now, before I tell you what I decided on, let me tell you a bit about myself. I grew up in the world of ukay or thrifting. It's my parents' business for the longest time. Yun yung nagpakain sa akin, nagpaaral sa akin, and literal na nagdamit sa akin. Kaya naman I'm naturally curious about the thrifting cultures of other countries. Kaya naman I was curious to see kung ano yung mga itsura ng ukay-ukay dito sa Hong Kong. So one of the thrift shop chains dito sa Hong Kong is the Salvation Army or yung family store. And when I checked Google Map, meron isang family store or Salvation Army sa may Wan Chai. And malapit lang siya sa Ichiran Ramen sa may Causeway Bay. Kaya naman naisip ko na dumaan muna ng Salvation Army bago pumunta ng Ichiran. Since I consider this as more of a personal interest and since low-bat na yung dalawang camera ko, I decided not to include yung pagpunta ko sa Salvation Army sa vlog. Now, if I decided not to include it in the vlog, then why am I talking about it, right? Well, let's just say that what happened there was one of the highlights of my trip. So from Sky 100 nagbus ako and dito ako bumaba sa bus stop na ito. And pagbaba ko, dumiretso ako sa 7-Eleven kasi sobrang uhaw na ako and I really needed a drink. Dito yung 7-Eleven and dito yung Salvation Army. Now when I was checking yung directions na papunta doon ko lang din na-check kung ano yung closing time nila. So nakalagay nga doon na 7 o'clock yung closing nila and at that time past 6 o'clock na. So napaisip talaga ako kung tutuloy ba ako o hindi. Kasi unang-una mabagal ako maglakad and syempre hahanapin ko pa siya. Paano kapag pagpunta ko doon sarado na pala? Sabi ko na lang, well andito naman na ako, why not just try? Bilisan ko na lang maglakad and maybe maabutan ko pa siya. So I walked and I walked and I walked and then I stopped to check kung malapit na ba ako or hindi. That's when I felt someone tap my back and lo and behold, it's my cousin. So pagtalikod ko, hindi lang pinsan ko yung andun yung auntie ko, yung iba pang pinsan ko. We shared hugs, catch up a bit with each other, and apparently we had the same idea of visiting Salvation Army, so we went inside and checked out the place. And honestly, it was just a really heartwarming moment. Lalo na kasi I was feeling a bit lonely this morning, and now here I am having this mini reunion. They were on their way home and I didn't want to take any more of their time. Kaya naman we said our goodbyes and went on our separate way. Pero bago kami maghiwalay, my aunt generously offered to take care of my dinner, which really was such a thoughtful gesture and it truly meant a lot to me. So if you're watching this, auntie, thank you so much. One, just one? Yeah.
Yeah, please. This one. Please, number 21.
21. Thank you.
Ready? Just press the button.
Okay. 21. Thank you.
Thank you.
お待たせいたしました。ごゆっくりどうぞ失礼いたします。
As an introvert, I was intrigued by the concept of Ichiran Ramen, kaya naman pinilit ko talaga na makapunta dito to experience it. Hindi man sa Japan pero at least dito sa Hong Kong. With my arm and with my size, medyo nahirapan akong umupo dun sa upuan. And then may mga katabi ako so medyo nahiya akong magbigay ng commentary. But all I can say about the ramen is the broth is really, really, really good. Siguro yun yung best na broth that I've ever tasted. The noodles were okay, but the star of the show is really the broth, and I really can't wait to try it again. In the end, food is really a matter of preference, but if you're an introvert like me, then you might want to try this out when you visit Hong Kong. Hi guys, so kakabalik ko lang dito sa hotel. After kong kumain sa Ichiran na ramen, dapat pupunta pa ako ng Victoria Park for a night stroll. Kaya lang, nung paalis na akong Ichiran, nakita ko naka 14% na lang yung phone ko. And yung dala kong power bank, 1% na lang kasi gamit na gamit siya buong araw. Eh, naisip ko kapag pinush ko pa yung Victoria Park, baka malobat na ako totally. And natatakot ako na mawalan ng phone or mawalan ako ng data sa phone or ng access sa phone ko. Kasi syempre, yun lang yung reference ko kung tama ba yung mga sinasakyan ko or tama ba yung pinupuntahan ko. So, yung remaining na 14% na battery ko, sabi ko, enough na siguro yun para makabalik ako dito sa hotel. Kaya from Ichiran, nag-MTR ako, and then bumaba ako sa Central, and then naglakad na lang ako papunta dito sa hotel. Dumaan lang ako ng 7-Eleven para bumili ng water. Kasi wala palang fridge dito, so just in case na you'll be staying here, yun, walang fridge dito. And yun lang naman, magpapahinga lang ako saglit, then maliligo, then hopefully I'll get a good night's sleep tonight. Kasi bukas is our Disneyland day and bala ko siyang sulitin buong araw. So yun lang. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified once I upload the next part of this Hong Kong series. Thank you. See ya.